sort of met Brian at the Web Dev Studios guy, and I guess he's got broken and everything and all that. Are they just doing the same thing?
He's a speaker at WordCamp.
Yeah, are they just hiding it from us?
I'm sure probably.
Yeah.
You know,
It's getting really popular. There's that application Happy Tables. The whole thing was built on WordPress, but even if you're a client and you're paying the monthly fee, you get an interface, an admin interface that's just using one of the API solutions. You know.
Yeah, so I wouldn't be surprised if they're taking a similar approach, because I think in order to first you have to pay for the account for the service, and then I think you do just install some of their proprietary plugins.
It generates the iOS side of things, and then just does probably the JSON queries that you showed us. Okay.
I've heard that only like 90% of apps don't have any help or support built in. Have you done anything like that? Or
Apps is
like if you're using apps, like if you have a problem with the app, like if you're on a website or an application, you hit support or hit help. All there are is like contact us. So if you got maybe you've got a problem looking up, or maybe it's to add events or something with that site that you did. Is there anything like that helps people know what to do?
Yeah, so it kind of, we took the standard approach there. So like inside of the iOS app here, there's kind of an informational section. So in the menu here, there's about standard terms of use and stuff. So some basic information about Rack. I don't know why my simulator is being really unresponsive. Down here, there's a contact Rack button. If I push, it's going to shoot an email right to their contacts, to their whoever their contact person is. That's a good question though. We have integrated our own kind of ticketing system. So when we're building the apps, we'll integrate a mobile plugin from Atlassian that feeds. It lets people submit bug reports directly into our ticketing system. And so we do that internally because it helps us when we're QA and testing things to immediately just report an error and submit it. It does like screen grabs, and it grabs data about the phone, the OS, and all that stuff. It saves a lot of work for the user. We haven't actually deployed it on once we've published the site or the app. We haven't left it on there because we're too kind of scared to be getting, unless we've signed an enormous support contract to handle any request that comes in. It's not feasible for us to.
I wouldn't so much like from a development standpoint, but how to post a video or how to create a new event, or when I was at the Salesforce as a app development kit also, and I was shocked how few apps have support built in.
Yeah, we did work with them on their website because they have constituents that submit these events. We did work with them somewhere on the site where we've shared kind of resources about how to use this system to submit your events. I honestly don't know their number where it is, but it is in the site, and so people that are required in some cases to upload events, they've got help. Yeah, I mean, I can say one of the really appealing things about building your own API to return that data is you're not stuck within a web shell, right? Your native app is only receiving text, basically, and so that allows us, like one of our apps, for St. Louis. Here it is. So this app here is kind of like a event, a business like directory listing thing for people who are coming to visit St. Louis and want to find out what's going on. All of this content is coming in through WordPress. However, we can leverage the native app to do really nice really robust, fancy graphics, high resolution, and then you're not transferring this thing over the wire, so it performs really well.